Okay, children, next we are going to see the distribution of metallic minerals with their uses in India. Okay, metallic minerals, regions they are found in and their uses, children. Okay, so first one is your iron ore. See, iron is being used everywhere, children. Without iron products, it is nothing is there. Anything you take, you can observe in so many places. Your desk bench or a support iron is there, a pillar like that, or in building construction or in building bridges, so many places in shipbuilding and aeroplane, everywhere. Okay, this iron is being used. And then steel also, children. From iron only we make the steel. So steel vessels, steel utensils, many tools, machines. So if you observe your car or a bike, anywhere you find the iron and steel is being used, children. So the first one, basic mineral and forms the backbone of our industries. So which states they are found in? Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, West Bengal, Karnataka, Goa, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh. And it is used to make a wide variety of things such as tools, machines, utensils, vehicles, bridges, buildings and railway engines. So it has a wide usage. Okay. The next one is your copper. Non-ferrous mineral, good conductor of electricity. So copper wire, you would have observed, children, in our houses, that copper wire only is being pulled for the connections. Okay, you could have observed. So with the covered with the red, blue or black colors like that. So it is an insulator. Inside that you will have the copper wire, children. Okay, so that one, it is found in Rajasthan, Jharkhand, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, and then it is used for making electric wires, tools, machinery and utensils. The next one is your manganese. So Odisha is the largest producer, children. So Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka and Goa. So it is used in the manufacturing of steel and alloys. Alloys is a metal, this one, children, making a combination of two metals. Okay, two or three metals combined together to make a that is an object. So your bronze is there, no, bronze vessels, those are examples of this one, alloys. Okay, so mixing up or adding up of two or three metals, children. Okay, the next one, bauxite ore. So Odisha is the largest producer. Aluminium is obtained from it. So you could have observed all the electrical wire, lamppost and then high transmission wires, children. Those all used, and tools, some machines also, aluminium vessels are also there. Okay, so it is mainly found in Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Goa. Then it is used to make aeroplanes, utensils and other household items. Next one is gold. Okay, this is a yellow metal with glossy shine. Women love to wear jewelry made out of it. So it is found in Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Jharkhand. It is used for making jewelry and coins. Okay. The next one is your non-metallic minerals. A mineral made up of series of plates. These are very thin. India is the largest producer in the world. So the regions are Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh, Jharkhand. It is used for making medicines, electrical goods and paints. Okay, in the making of paint also they are using it, children. Okay. Next one, limestone, basic raw material for the cement industry. So mainly construction of building. As you require iron also, like that you require the cement. So the states are Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, Telangana, Chhattisgarh. So it is manufacturing cement and the smelting of iron ore. So when the iron ore, it is like a soil only, children. They will take and melt it in a furnace. So that time they will add this limestone to the iron ore, children. The next one is coal. The coal is also called as black diamond, and it is a fossil fuel. West Bengal, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Jharia, Raniganj and Korba respectively are important coal fields. So when you go to higher classes, you will start studying about that. It is used to generate power and as a domestic fuel. Next one, petroleum. So you are always aware of this. Also called mineral oil or crude oil. The extracted oil is refined. Okay. So in oil refineries, they will take this crude oil, children. Okay. Then they put in many chemicals and they undergo a process. So each stage we will get different products like petroleum, diesel, kerosene, paraffin wax and some other products also. And the last product is tar. So you could have observed on the road they will apply tar now. So that is your last product. So you are found deep inside the earth and under the seabed, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Assam. It is used as a fuel for heat and lighting. The natural gas, it is considered as environment friendly fuel. So in our house the gas cylinders are there, no children. It contains natural gas only. Okay, it does not give up more smoke. Environment friendly. So found in oil fields along with mineral oil. So mineral oil is your crude oil. So crude oil will be there. Above that gas will be present, children. So that gas also they will tap and take it through the pipes. Okay, so that one only we are getting it as gas. This one, gas cylinders. Off the coast of Mumbai, Assam. Okay, so that they are found means Mumbai High. That place is called Mumbai High on the seaside, children. Okay, so that place and in Assam, Big Boy. Okay, so that place it is both used as energy, fuel and raw material. And the last thing is conservation of these minerals, children. As we are discussing about that one only, we should not think for us only. We should think for the future generations also to use these minerals. So we should use it judiciously. Judiciously means we should think how are we wasting it, how much can we use. Like that we have to think and then use. And one of the things is it pollutes the environment, mining. Okay, so the mining and all pollutes the environment. Since it is non-renewable, the reserves will be exhausted. Okay, so we have to take care of protecting it for our future generation, children, and we must help our nation in using all these things. Okay, then we have to find for alternative sources, not only fossil fuels. It will come for some years. But after that, what we have to do? We have to go think for some other things. So alternative sources like solar, wind and water energy, we have to think, children. Okay, so by this lesson is over. Take your textbook and read, children. This is a small lesson only. We'll see in the next class. Thank you.